as a human being, as a person, as a leader, as a father, they are there. You can't count them, and then as someone that carries the burden of Africa and the burden of people, they are just there. They are part of life. They are part of that even encourage me as a person. Challenges encourage me. Challenges let me see more than what I am encountering. So it's a blessing to have challenges in life. I don't know, maybe you ever thought of it. It's a blessing. It's good. It gives you reasoning of being alive. It gives you wow. So if you are not alive, you can't experience any challenges at all. It is only the living that can experience all these things. I'm very happy, even though people are running away from challenges. I embrace challenges. I master my challenges. I use the word failing forward, but this time around is winning forward. I am winning forward. So winning forward, it means you have to encounter some challenges before you can declare yourself a victor. So I can count them. They are there, demands and here and there, ability to engage them and to ensure that everybody is calm. And then the nation, the continent is going through a lot. That alone is like headache. You just have to find a way of putting solutions out there. So instead of talking about challenges, I talked about solutions. How we are going to rectify the problem of Africa, that's my biggest problem now. How we are going to unify Africa is my biggest problem. And when I say biggest problem, that does not mean that there's no solution. So we have mapped out a very strategic solutions that will help us to promote the values and ideologies we are engaging in. And right now, and people are coming into it and they say, oh, let us push it. So that's what I can say about challenges. It's a beautiful thing to have challenges, but you must not stop thinking and stop navigating through solution-centered value or value-centered solution.